Nephew! Nephew!
What going on, Claire?
See, if you can't make a good ginger tea for me, you know. I don't feel too well, man.
Are you drink that?
I just don't like this when the glass empty. Yes, man, make a good ginger tea.
So what I'm to you?
It all started this morning, you know, see, when I was coming to half a tree. Mr. Boy selling fresh and nice. $250.
Fresh and nice.
Gizzard, man, gizzard.
Yeah, man, and I'm from people, so you go on the road and buy gizzard.
You know, say me no normally young from people, but Lord, you know me love gizzard. And the first me for a long time, me I go see gizzard, so me say, alright, make me go there too. You know, like me, I have the teacher around here, so you didn't teach them, I try to take you. Can't take you out and as me biting at the gizzard, that's why teeth broke, Lord. We don't know which part they go get that the flour there. I'm also out of cement company. If you make matters worse, me decide say me now go throw away the gizzard because you say $50 me pay fee. Make me this force and ya make you can't dash your money. So you see after me done ya me two gizzard and then it start cut me. Lord.
A spoiled coat that they use and make it gizzard.
Yes, man. Me see as me run go in the car, so me this braff up myself.
Bruh.
If you no understand English, man, me braff up myself, me shit me brief.
Bruh. Uncle Larry, braff means that you show off. You're bossy.
Well, I shit up myself, bossily.